for any integer a, the multiplicative inverse of a is minus a, so a multiplied by 1 by a equals, means 1 by a multiplied by a, it always gives 1. So 1 by a is the multiplicative inverse of a, and a is multiplicative inverse of 1 by a. So these are the 5 properties. Let's come with the next property of multiplication. Property of 0. So for any integer a multiplied by 0 or 0 multiplied by a equals 0, right? This is the property of 0. Come with the last property of multiplication, which is very important, that is distributive property. Distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication, there are two parts. First one is over addition and second one is over subtraction, right? So for any three integers a, b and c, a multiplied by b plus c equals a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. Means first you multiply a to b, put addition sign here because addition is there, then a multiplied to c. In subtraction part, for any three integers a, b and c, a multiplied by b minus c gives a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c, right? These are the distributive properties of multiplication over addition and subtraction. You have to send me an example that explains these properties. Right? So till now we have completed three mathematical operation: addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now come to division part, means the last operation. Now come with division. You know, division is inverse process of multiplication. And you know how to divide an integer, right? Come with the properties of division. For first property, for any two integers a and b, a divided by b is not necessarily an integer. Means it may not be, it may be an integer or it may not be an integer. So send me an example. to explain this property. Or which explains this property. Right? Come to second property. For any integer a divided by 1 gives a. Right? Third property, for any integer a and a is not equal to 0, which gives a divided by a equals 1. Right? Come to fourth property. For any integer a and a is not equal to 0, 0 divided by a equals 0 and a divided by 0 equals means that is not meaningful or not defined. Right? This is the fourth property. Fifth property means associative property. Associative property means division does not hold this property. It holds only in that condition when c equals 1. Means if you divide a divided by b divided by c equals a divided by b divided by c, only if c equals 1, then this holds this property. Right? So send me the example of this. Come to last property. If a, b and c are the integers and a is greater than b, so a divided by c is greater than b divided by c if c is positive, and a divided by c is less than b divided by c when c is negative. Right? Also send me the example. Send me an example for this property. Right? So students, we have completed the revision of integer chapter. Means it is a quick revision of this chapter. So revise this chapter, go through it, and if you have any query, then ask me. Okay, till now, thank you.